Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another one of the amazing university, this time Indian University, FLAME University, or Foundation for Liberal and Management Education. Yes, that's the full form of FLAME. If you're interested and want to apply to this university hassle-free, fill a form in the description box and my team will help you in the admission process as we have done with thousands of students in the past 14 years. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a TEDx speaker, entrepreneur, and a success coach. I've done my MS in computer science from the US and worked with top investment bank UBS Financials, and then started my company to help students with career and college admission. Over the last decade with my company, we have delivered top results with students getting admission to Harvard, Stanford, MIT, Oxford, and all the top universities across the world. I've been featured on national television on Z News, and my articles have been published in top international magazines. I've met with most of the admission officers myself, and I've done a college admission program from UPenn on how to guide students for college admissions. In short, on my channel, you will find strategies and tools that work, and I've been using these strategies with thousands of my students over the past decade with huge success. So let's hit it up for FLAME University. FLAME University is a private, co-educational and fully residential liberal education university located in Pune, India. It was established in 2015. The 70-acre campus of FLAME University is in Pune, Maharashtra. There are about 20 plus educational and recreational clubs on campus that help students to increase their social circle and also learn new things. Many student programs like FLAME Fest and First Cut happen on the campus. The most popular majors at FLAME University include business and management, economics, social sciences, humanities, fine and performing arts. Although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, it is considered one of the best colleges in India for liberal arts education. Alright, now let's move on to our next section talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Academics at FLAME are good. Students get to experience and learn varied subjects from different universes of knowledge. Now, this gives them a chance to decide what students are really passionate about. The core courses such as critical reasoning, academic writing, digital literacy, mental models, and financial literacy equip students with the necessary skills to excel in their future. Now, FLAME University's academic programs are designed to provide students with the necessary knowledge and skills to enable them to play a significant role in the field of their choice. Now, these innovative programs combine the preservation of knowledge with the spirit of innovation and adventure. Now, they instill curiosity, broaden horizons, and inculcate leadership skills in an intensive academic environment by bringing together faculty from leading academic institutions who are pioneers in their professions. FLAME's unique interdisciplinary approach helps students excel in an ever more complex and challenging global economy and professional scenario, so which is a good point. Students have the opportunity to access these experimental learning and experiential learning programs alongside their academic programs. These experiential learning programs are Development Activities Program (DAP), the Discover India Program (DIP), and Summer Internship Program (SIP). FLAME University has study abroad options for students that give them an opportunity to go learn, live, and understand different cultures around the world. FLAME has collaborations with prestigious universities like Amherst College, Kelley School of Business, which is Indiana University, Bloomington, Yale University, Babson College, Science ISPO, IE Spain, Boston University, and many more. Now, the faculty members at FLAME are well qualified. Acclaimed professors from world-renowned universities and institutes each at FLAME University. The student-faculty ratio is about 11:1. Every student gets personal attention and guidance from faculty mentors to help them trend their path carefully to achieve the best educational outcome. So keeping all this in mind, I would like to rate FLAME University with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level 5 is the highest level. Now after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at FLAME University is great as well. From attending classes to working on projects or utilizing the library resources to hanging out with your friends, from participating in inter-house and inter-college competitions to being involved in the student council, from student clubs to sports, students have their hands full and enjoy the bonds and friendship they create during their time on campus. The Student Council comprises different committees that ensure the welfare of the student community and also acts as the liaison between students and administration. It gives students a say in the decisions that affect their lives on campus. Students have the freedom to explore and enhance their interests and talent and form of student clubs. There are about 40 student clubs on campus ranging from singing club to photography club, film clubs, social activities to debate clubs, marketing, investment, entrepreneurship, and all sort of various clubs. Housing is available for most students. There are 3 types of housing options available. Faculty housing and housing for guests is also available on campus. There are sharing and single AC and non-AC rooms. Housekeeping is provided. There are laundry services too. There is a provision store, ATM, and an infirmary for convenience for the students. The food quality is good as per the students with a wide variety of options. The Flame University campus is filled with many such cafes for students to relax and treat their taste buds. Flame University offers competitive academics and good social life. I would like to give it 5 stars out of 5 on quality of life. Now let's look at financial fit. Flame University falls in an affordable school category with a per year fee ranging from 8 lakhs to about 12 lakhs, including housing and all admission fees. Now, as far as financial is concerned, the university offers many scholarships to students with the goal that financial constraints should not be a hindrance for deserving students to get an opportunity to study at Flame. Some scholarships are merit scholarships. Now, these are awarded at the time of admission based on performance, ranging from partial to full fee waiver. Now, there's also a fully funded scholarship at Flame known as Flame Fellows Program. Now, the Flame Fellows Program is the scholarship program for postgraduate students with CAT or ZAT percentile above 90 percentile or GMAT score above 650, along with a consistent academic record. The scholarship awardees shall be known as a Flame Fellows and will be eligible for a 100% tuition waiver. Yes. And 20 scholarships will be given for deserving candidates for postgraduate programs. Now, the selection process for this scholarship will be multi-level, including written essay, video SOP, and 2 rounds of interviews. Now, the final decision will be done by the panel composed of board members and industry professionals, along with the vice chancellors and dean. Now, they also offer special scholarships for achievers in diverse fields, including sports as well. So, overall, there are many scholarships available at Flame, including 100% scholarship as well. So, I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Now, after exploring the fit, let's move on to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of getting into Flame University with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admissions. Flame University has an online application process. You're required to provide information such as entrance test scores, personal contact details, education qualification, work experience, if applicable, achievements, extracurricular activities, and a statement of purpose. It's basically for any university these days. Now, apart from those, the candidates can also get online virtual sessions. Now, their virtual sessions are a chance for you to meet their admission team and students to discuss the undergrad or postgrad program in detail. Now, the application portal requires you to register online before you can begin, and you must meet the minimum eligibility for academics set for individual programs. So for more details, you can check out the program website. For the statement of purpose, they have divided the questionnaire where you can write your answers to 3 questions given in the SOP section of the admission portal in different paragraphs in the space provided. Now, you can also need to write the full SOP for some of the master's program. Now, their own entrance test called Flame Entrance Aptitude Test or FEAT is optional for those who have SAT or ACT scores. They do not specify cutoff scores, but high SAT and ACT score improves chances for selection. For PG, national level exams like CAT, MAT, CMAT, NMAT, GMAT is mandatory requirement to apply for MBA and MBA Communications Management. These are the programs offered by Flame University. Now, they have virtual or face-to-face interviews as the next step to the application. This also plays an important role in helping them understand your motivation and whether you would make a good fit for the program. So make sure you prepare there. Now, here are some tips for students and parents for admission to Flame. Number 1 is start early. Begin the application process well before the deadline to avoid last-minute hassles. Second is to research thoroughly. Understand the program details, campus life, and financials to ensure Flame University aligns with your educational goals. Very important. Next is to prepare for FEAT. Focus on preparing for Flame Entrance Aptitude Test if you choose to take it, as it's a crucial part for selection process. Next one is strong SOP. Crafting a compelling statement of purpose that reflects your personality, achievements, and reasons for choosing Flame is super important. If you need any help with SOP, check out my course on SOP in a day in the description box. Next comes document checklist. Keep all necessary documents ready and ensure that they are uploaded correctly on the application portal. Next is mock interviews. Practice for online personal interview to present your thoughts clearly and confidently. This is very important. Regular follow-ups. Now keep checking your emails for updates from the university and respond promptly to any communication. Last one is financial planning. If needed, explore scholarships and financial aid options offered by Flame University. Now, as for deadlines, the admission for undergraduate happens on the year-round basis, and there are different rounds, and few candidates are selected in every round. The rounds or cycles for Flame University start from December and go on till May of the next year. For PG, they have 2 application deadlines, one in December and the other one is January. So in the end, if you want education liberal arts, you're self-sufficient, hardworking, academically excellent, well-rounded student, Flame University is for you. And yes, remember to complete your profile evaluation to get your personal report for free. And yes, this is one tool that will give you your college admission journey, and I'm here to help you and support you on this beautiful journey. If you need any college admission assistance, me and my team are here to help you. Make sure to like and subscribe and never miss an important video on college admission, high potential careers, and tips and strategies to build your best life. I love you. I'm with you on this beautiful journey to build your best life. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.